What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Eric from James Auto Detailing. And today we got this 2018 Audi RS5 4-door. Sweet blue color. In for an in and out detail, plus under the hood. Kind of crappy weather out today. Kind of sucks, but we can add some protection on here so you can bring it home and it'll still be clean. Looks like someone's been wiping this with a snow brush quite a bit. I got some marks there. This isn't in for a polish, so a lot of this stuff is going to stay. We're just going to wax it on the outside. It might hide some of that to fill it in. This hood definitely needs a polish. Maybe if I have time I'll try to fix that, but I don't think we have time today. Inside, not too bad. Usually cars like this are pretty well taken care of. This looks like it has been. This is a new customer of ours named Wade. We appreciate him for coming by. Look at the bug splatter. That's all etched in. A lot of that's gonna stay. It's gonna look dirty because that's etched into the clear coat. When there's bugs on your paint or bird poop, you want to make sure to get that out as fast as you can. And this is why he wants under the hood done. Pretty grimy. We can clean that up, no problem. Okay, let's get to it. Check out the difference. A lot of people are afraid to do under the hood. We've been doing it for many years. And as long as you're turning down the pressure and not jamming water or forcing water where it shouldn't be, or right up close next to sensors or computers or whatnot, you'll be all right. And you want to make sure that you're air dried after. We go through all the sensors after, as you've seen on the video, with an air blower, just to dry it out, and then we shined it up with some dressing. It looks so much better like that. Man, we got a new face here. A new old face.
How's it going?
Welcome back, Liam.
We're back. Feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Apparently forgot how to work because he hasn't done anything since he's been here.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna foam this thing up and we're gonna give it a wash. Remember how to foam?
Yeah, sure.
How was your first 5 minutes? Exterior is pretty much complete. We washed and waxed it. Windows are done. Tires. That phone will not stop, man. All right, back to this thing. As I mentioned earlier, it looks dirty. That's all bug splatter etched into the clear coat. That needs to be polished out. Sometimes it goes too far and you can't even fix that. But the culprit for all these scratches, I'm guessing, is that. But we won't talk about that. But now we're gonna take care of the inside. All right, now we got some salt to take care of. It's pretty dark. My light just died. But time to shampoo this. I don't know if you can see this, but we got some nastiness going on already here. We're gonna suck that up with the extractor. Hopefully that all goes away. It is kind of dark. My light died again. Really need to plug that thing in. But I can see, but I don't think the camera can see it right now. That's gross. Almost looks like some kind of grease. Much better. Don't even think you can see that. There was a bunch of grease or something there. It's all gone. Much gooder. So the inside's all done. Could use one more quick vacuum before I put the mats in. Right now we're going to condition all the panels and the seats using our Bloomco leather conditioner. Just gives it a nice touch. Not too shiny. It's protected. Smells good. The interior is complete. Everything was scrubbed, cleaned, conditioned, vacuumed, shampooed, the works. The door jambs, glass, trunk, and the outside got hand washed, waxed, wheels clean, tires shine, wheel wells. Look how fresh this thing looks. We also did, as you saw in the beginning of the video, under the hood. So this thing's ready to tackle summertime. Kind of sucks that it started raining outside already, and I didn't have time to fix this because I'd have to do the whole hood to make it look good. But once again, if you got bug splatter all over your car, you got to take that off right away, or else that happens. And that's not included in a note detail. I got to polish that. That's a totally different service. And as you can see, all the scratches and stuff, that's from probably the car wash. I think he just bought this car, and I doubt he'll be taking it to the car wash because it seems like he really loves this thing. I believe it's tuned. He's got a little bit of stuff done to it. Can't wait to see what else he does. But, I don't know why I just said but, we're gonna end that video off here.
If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. We really don't care.
Peace!